Well, the anti-paper leak bill has been introduced. In fact, will it be tabled? Will it be successful? Let's listen in.
Pertaining to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. These are A. First, second, fifth, 10th and 18th reports of the 17th Lok Sabha, and B. First, second and 7th reports of 18th Lok Sabha. These may please be considered as read. Thank you.
Item number 3, Sri Jayant Chaudhary. Rejected, sir. With your kind permission, I rise to lay papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name as serial number 3. Raise this bill. पंकज सदरी जी। सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने मत संख्या 4 पर वर्णित कागज आपकी अनुमति से सभा के पटल पर रखता हूँ। आइटम नंबर 5, सुश्री शोभा करंदलाजे जी।
Sir, there are always exceptions to precedents, sir. When situations arise, so many students have committed suicide, the government can do anything, but cannot give back the life of those. So, sir, last week, no business was done. No business was done. Now, John Peters, what is your point?
Sir, Parliament is representing the people of this country. We always say that India is mother of democracy. Mother of democracy is India, sir. The capital city of the mother of democracy has been drenched with the blood of the innocent children of this country. Innocent children.
Please take your seat. Suresh Kumar P.
Sir.
You should raise the relevant point.
Sir.
You please try to raise the relevant point. Don't make this house as a political forum.
The Home Minister of the country, sir, the Home Minister of the country stated that students are above all posts.
The house will be made at 2 p.m. The house will meet at 2 p.m. I adjourn the house to meet at 2 p.m.
Well, in fact, right now, as you just heard, Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. Lok Sabha still labors on. Minutes back, we saw how there were several disruptions which continue to happen in the Rajya Sabha. The chair said that we are going to take up question now.
कांग्रेस पार्टी और कुछ दल है उनको कहना चाहता हूं, विषय को भटकने मत दीजिए। इस वक्त स्टूडेंट का इंटरेस्ट, देश में जो एग्जामिनेशन होने का जो प्रक्रिया आज तक हमने देखा है, उसको मजबूती से जो रिफॉर्म्स लाया है, इस पे चर्चा होना ये सबसे प्राथमिकता होना चाहिए। इस वक्त मुद्दे को भटकाने के लिए और मुद्दे चेंज करने के लिए कोई कोशिश ना करें। इस वक्त स्टूडेंट का वेलफेयर, स्टूडेंट का फ्यूचर और स्टूडेंट का इंटरेस्ट, ये हम सबका प्राथमिकता होना चाहिए। पार्लियामेंट में इस वक्त कोई दूसरा विषय लेकर के नहीं आना चाहिए, नहीं तो टॉपिक डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा।
प्रधानमंत्री से भी माफी मांगने की मांग कर रहे हैं।
अलग अलग ये जो बहाना बना रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है। हम बिल्कुल फोकस्ड है कि स्टूडेंट का इंटरेस्ट के लिए जो बिल लाया है, ये जो बिल है इसको पारित करना हमारा प्राथमिकता है।
सर, स्पीकर ने जो हंगामा कर रहे हैं सांसद, उनको लेकर कार्रवाई करने की बात भी कही है कि अगर नहीं मानते
Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Bill 2024. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
आप इस पर विरोध करना चाहते हैं? इस विषय पर बोलना चाहते हैं? सोगत राय जी, एन.के. प्रेमचंदन जी, मनीष तिवारी जी, मणिकम टेगोर जी, विजय कुमार के काव्या। माननीय सदस्यगण, जो भी माननीय सदस्य इस विधेयक पर बोलना चाहते हैं, प्रश्न ये कि विधेयक को
प्रश्न है कि विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ गए, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना गए, मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। माननीय मंत्री जी, अब विधेयक पुनर्स्थापित करें।
Speaker sir, I introduce the bill.
मान्य सदस्यगण, लोक परीक्षा अनुचित साधन निवारण संशोधन विधेयक 2026 पर संशोधन प्रस्तुत करने के लिए मैं 1 बजे तक का समय देता हूं। मान्य सदस्यगण, ये महत्वपूर्ण विधेयक है और इस विधेयक से जो सदन की मंशा है, देश की मंशा है, उस पर व्यापक चर्चा होगी। सभी दल के लोग इस विषय पर बहुत दिनों से मांग कर रहे थे और ये एक सुधार का प्रथम कदम है। मैं सोचता हूं कि सदन पर इस पर चर्चा हो, सब अपने मत विचार व्यक्त करें ताकि मत और विचार से हम किस तरीके से इस विधेयक के माध्यम से देश के अंदर परीक्षा पर लीक को रोकने का एक समुचित कदम उठा सकते हैं। इसलिए मेरा आप लोगों से आग्रह है, मैं आपको पर्याप्त समय दूंगा इस विषय पर। सदन की जितनी सहमति होगी उतना समय मैं आपको इस विधेयक पर चर्चा करने के लिए दूंगा। मेरा आपसे आग्रह है, ये महत्वपूर्ण विधेयक पर आप सदन का सहयोग करें और इस पर चर्चा करें। चर्चा करना चाहते हैं? आप बहुत दिनों से मांग कर रहे थे जिन विषयों पर, उसके विषय पर चर्चा है आज। विधेयक है और विधेयक के अलावा भी आप जो जो सुझाव दोगे संसद के अंदर, निश्चित रूप से उन सुझावों पर सरकार अमल लाने का प्रयास करेगी। यही लोकतंत्र है, सबके मत सबके विचार आए और लोकतंत्र की यही प्रक्रिया में मैं सदन से अपेक्षा करता हूं कि आप नारेबाजी तख्तियों की जगह चर्चा करें, संवाद करें, अपने मत और विचारों को रखें। आप नहीं चर्चा करना चाहते, सदन की कार्रवाई आज 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Well, this is big breaking news. The centre has tabled the Anti-Paper Leak Bill, which is the Public Examination Amendment Act of 2026. It has been tabled by MOS Jitendra Singh. But right after that, there was so much of ruckus that the Lok Sabha Speaker asked the opposition party, do you want to discuss this bill? Do you oppose this bill? There were voices which were coming from the opposition benches saying no. Then the Speaker asked, do you want to debate the bill? Will you speak about this bill? And then the opposition party said no. They would rather instead ask for, as the Congress has been demanding, accountability and an apology from the centre over what they call atrocities which were unleashed, as well as excessive force which was used against students during the Jantar Mantar protest. Remember, earlier in the day, we had visuals that we were showing here on Times Now as well, and repeatedly there are these videos which are surfacing now which show that there was police atrocities which may have been leashed. These are the videos which have been posted by several of the opposition parties. Rahul Gandhi has written to the Home Minister as well, demanding an apology as well as accountability for those who were from the police forces, those who were from the RAF and the CRPF, who have unleashed atrocities as per Rahul Gandhi. Apology as well as accountability. But right now what you saw was the outcome of that, when the opposition leaders and MPs decided that due to the heavy sloganeering, blocked the discussion of the bill. Well, let me go across to Pragya, who's joining us. Niyamika is also there with us. Pragya, I'm going to come to you first. The opposition, even though when the Speaker said, do you oppose this bill? They said, no, we don't oppose it. But despite that, not willing to come and debate it?
Absolutely, Meghna. They said that they want apology from Union Home Minister. They want detailed accountability and also the statement on why atrocities were committed on students. In fact, this is the demand, and they're saying that we need answers for that in the House. But Speaker said that the bill has now been tabled. You can speak that during the debate as well. But please have this debate particularly because you have been demanding it for quite some time now. And this is the time when I'm giving you time till 1 o'clock. You can submit your names, and we will give you ample time as much as the House permits. We will give you that much of time to speak on this particular bill. You can contribute to the bill because the intention of the House and intention of the country is that this bill needs to be passed. And because this is very crucial clauses that are there to ensure that there are no paper leaks and stringent measures are to be taken against those who are involved in it. But having said that, opposition does not, it doesn't look like that opposition is to debate this bill, and this is particularly the reason why Lok Sabha Speaker said that now we will meet again at 2 o'clock, and he has also urged opposition to reconsider their decision and to participate in the debate. Meghna.
The opposition has been asked to reconsider participate in the discussion, but will that happen? Let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, what are your sources within the opposition telling you? Are they willing to debate or will they continue disruptions?
Well, Meghna, it seems like the protest is going to be continued on the part of the opposition MPs, as it was being decided in today's India Bloc meeting that till the time the government is going to agree upon having a discussion upon the usage of excessive forces on the day when the students were there on the streets on 20th of July, the kind of lethal force which was being used against all these protesters, that needs to be debated in the parliament first, is what the opposition parties are demanding. We have seen that in the parliament today as well. In both the houses, there was continuous sloganeering which was being done on the part of the opposition MPs, as they are seeking an apology on the part of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and they are also stating that a proper a statement needs to be given by the government of India that why this kind of a direction was being given to the Delhi police officials or even the RAF personnel. In fact, now the latest video which is coming in on from the state of Bihar, for where we can see that even AK-47 was also being used and even being fired upon the students, is what is being reported, as what is being claimed by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. All of these questions are now being raised by the India Bloc Party MPs, and that is what they are stating, that it is the responsibility of Union Home Minister Amit Shah to give a clarification regarding this entire matter. And not just that, but in fact he has also need to give an apology to the nation, as the way in which many of the students have got severely injured. They have been hospitalized. Even we have seen that how one of such protester was also being hit by the pellet gun near the eye, as that is basically affecting the kind of the issue which is being raised by the opposition MPs. That is really affecting the functioning of the House, and that is going to be continued in the upcoming days as well, because they want the apology first, and then they will let this kind of a discussion takes place within the parliament.
Well, in fact, I'm going to come across to you, Pragya. Pragya, just a short while back, you had Kiran Rijiju also coming out, making a statement saying that the opposition party's hypocrisy is out because now they're refusing to come to the table. What's going to be the BJP strategy, or rather the Modi Sarkar strategy, to ensure that there is at least some kind of functioning in the House? After all, Parliament's floor strategy is totally in the domain of the centre itself.
Meghna, the only strategy that BJP has either to reach out to opposition, Speaker can also call the floor leaders meeting again and in fact speak to them and to break this stalemate. And, but it looks like that the opposition is quite adamant on this particular accountability clause. But having said that, the only option that BJP and government is left with is to start the debate. They have already introduced it and they would want everyone to participate in the debate. They have even shortlisted the speakers for this particular debate, and most of them are only, they're youngsters. So young MPs to start the debate, to put forth, their views on this particular bill is also a reach out to all these youngsters who have also protested and have this sentiment against the government. So to pacify them, this is very important for the government to have the debate. But it looks like the opposition is in no mood. Whether the government will continue to have debate amid this ruckus, amid this chaos, or whether the government will pass the bill is yet to be seen. But we are given to understand that government certainly and definitely do want this debate to take place.
Niyamika, you must tell us about some of the steps which have been taken, announced by Prime Minister Modi himself in some of the cases. in which he hopes that the youth of the nation, if not the opposition party, at least the youth of the nation will feel that the government is in action mode to prove that point?
Well, Meghna, we have seen that how the government has been continuously giving assurances on the part of, as we have seen that even the Prime Minister had also released several videos in which he has mentioned about the constituting a task force. In fact, this bill which is now being introduced in the Parliament today, that has also increased the jail term as well as the penalty upon those who have been involved in the paper leaks matter. The government is also saying that the opposition can raise all of their concerns during the debate when it is going to take place in the Parliament, but let this bill be discussed in the House so that the entire nation should also get to know that what all actions are going to be taken by the government regarding the paper leak issue, because this is something which is related to the future of this country. The youth is getting affected because of these paper leaks which are happening, and for that reason now what all actions will be taken on the part of the government of India, all of these details are going to be mentioned when this debate is going to take place in the Parliament. But on the other side, the opposition is not ready to listen to these voices. The opposition is quite clear that firstly they need to give a clarification on the part of the Home Minister that why such kind of an action was being taken by the police officers against the protesters, be it in Delhi or even in Bihar, that why such lethal force was being used against all of these protesting youth who were there on the streets, who were just trying to raise their concerns regarding the paper leak matter. And for that reason they are also seeking an apology on the part of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and till the time it is going to be accepted by the government, this protest is going to be continued by the opposition parties.
So the protest continues, but look at the visuals which are there on your screens. Those are some of the reasons as to why the opposition party has said accountability must be a fix. Remember, there are at least 2 instances of pellet gun injuries which have been reported as per the doctors' reports, which is why there is opposition led by the Congress party, who has even written a letter to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. For example, Rahul Gandhi, who is the LOP of Lok Sabha, has written a letter to Amit Shah saying that there must be accountability of fix. Not just that, that happened in Jantar Mantar. Across in Bihar, Siwan, there are visuals coming in of a policeman who's firing an AK-47 towards the protesters who can be seen.